Friends, in today's video we will take you through the layoff plans which Uber has and how many employees are impacted or will be impacted. So watch out the video till the end to gain complete it.
Hello and welcome back to your own channel Career Swami, which helps you with your career journey. If you like what you see, then please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to receive future updates. Also, our Hindi channel Career Swami Hindi is available where we upload career and education related videos every day. So if you are someone who love Hindi and want to enjoy career and education related videos in Hindi, do subscribe to the Hindi channel. Thank you.
Uber has said that it will lay off 3,700 employees and Uber CEO Mr. Dara Khosrowshahi will forego his base salary for the rest of the year. The layoff to its customer support and recruiting teams represents about 14% of its 26,900 employees based on Uber's most recent headcount. Uber CEO made $1 million in base salary in 2019 but gained the vast majority of his compensation from bonuses and stock awards. So he is still keeping his bonuses and stock awards but only foregoing the base compensation of $1 million. Uber has announced these moves in a filing with the Securities and Exchange Commission. This also resulted in Uber's stock falling as much as 4%. Uber has been hit hard by the coronavirus pandemic, which has crushed the travel industry because of lockdowns to stop the spread the virus. Uber's global gross bookings are down 80%. Also, Uber CEO Mr. Dara has hinted in a memo to the employees that more cost cuts are on the way. Uber is looking at many scenarios and at each and every cost, both variable and fixed, across the organization. Uber has said that they want to be smart, to move fast, to retain as many as of their great people as they can, and treat everyone with dignity, support, and respect. Uber has also mentioned that they will be giving a final update within 2 weeks. Even though Uber has been cutting costs, but it reportedly also has been looking at investments for the future. Uber had been in talks to lead a $170 million investment in the electric scooter company Lime. We will also show the memo which Mr. Dara Khosrowshahi sent to the employees. So here it is. You can read it out. So do let us know in the comment section if you are working in Uber. How do you feel working in Uber? Are you among those who are impacted in Uber? Or if you are impacted in any other organization? Do let us know in the comment section. Thank you.
So guys, we did a survey on what's more important for you. Is it money, happiness, friends and family, or career? Majority of the people who have voted feel that friends and family is the most important factor for them. Next is happiness, followed by career, and followed by money. Some of the people had very interesting comments on this topic as well. We thought that it would be interesting to publish the results of the survey in the video, as it will help our subscribers and you to understand the pulse and what other people are thinking. So when we post any surveys, please do participate in those surveys to get good data. Also, if you have any ideas on what kind of surveys we should do, don't hesitate to let us know. We wish and hope that we come out of the current difficult time soon. Thank you for watching and best of luck in what you are doing now or what you would like to do. Friends, we have launched our new book with the title Cracking the Job Interview. This book can convert your rejection to success at job interviews. The book will benefit any present or future job seekers across any industry and domain. The book is available across all countries on Amazon. Also, you can read this book for free by subscribing to Kindle Unlimited trial. Please check out the description for more details. Thank you once again.